Data science is considered a discipline, while data scientists are the practitioners within that field. Data scientists are not necessarily directly responsible for all the processes involved in the data science lifecycle. For example, data pipelines are typically handled by data engineers, but the data scientist may make recommendations about what sort of data is useful or required. While data scientists can build machine learning models, scaling these efforts at a larger level requires more software engineering skills to optimize a program to run more quickly. As a result, it's common for a data scientist to partner with machine learning engineers to scale machine learning models. Data scientist responsibilities can commonly overlap with a data analyst, particularly with exploratory data analysis and data visualization. However, a data scientist's skill set is typically broader than the average data analyst. Comparatively speaking, data scientists leverage common programming languages, such as R and Python, to conduct more statistical inference and data visualization. To perform these tasks, data scientists require computer science and pure science skills beyond those of a typical business analyst or data analyst. The data scientist must also understand the specifics of the business, such as automobile manufacturing, e-commerce, or healthcare. In short, a data scientist must be able to 1. Know enough about the business to ask pertinent questions and identify business pain points. 2. Apply statistics and computer science along with business acumen to data analysis. 3. Use a wide range of tools and techniques for preparing and extracting data, everything from databases and SQL to data mining to data integration methods. 4. Extract insights from big data using predictive analytics and artificial intelligence, AI, including machine learning models, natural language processing, and deep learning. 5. Write programs that automate data processing and calculations. 6. Tell and illustrate stories that clearly convey the meaning of results to decision makers and stakeholders at every level of technical understanding. 7. Explain how the results can be used to solve business problems. 8. Collaborate with other data science team members, such as data and business analysts, IT architects, data engineers, and application developers. These skills are in high demand, and as a result, many individuals that are breaking into a data science career explore a variety of data science programs, such as certification programs, data science courses, and degree programs offered by educational institutions. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching.